Guys, I was just closing my garage door and I was getting ready to walk in the house and I hear this horn going beep, 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 beep. And I open the garage door up and here comes Ron riding the Franken trike. Look at this. Ron, what do you think about that trike?
It's all right.
It's all right.
It's all right. Just a bear to put together. But
that's why you were doing it, not me.
Didn't line up. The frame was the same as the back. So.
Let's take a look here. Did you get those brakes adjusted down?
I got the front, but the back I still got to get.
Still kind of squishy?
Yeah, because it's not holding.
Yeah, okay.
So.
All right, so we believe that was a 500 watt motor. Yeah, it looks like it says 500 watt on it. So 500 watt motor, mechanical brakes, 20x4 tires, no brand name on those. A little wire basket, different than what we normally see, right? But that's okay. A working headlight.
Yep, it works.
Suspension forks.
Isn't it working?
Yep. Suspension forks. And then going back through there, we have a 10 amp hour battery. 10 amp hour battery, controller underneath that.
Fenders were dented when you came in package.
Yep, fenders are a little damaged there, but he got those together. We got, are these reflectors back here or do these light up?
Just reflectors.
So these are just reflectors.
Yeah.
And then we have a single disc brake on the rear that's on the, what am I trying to say? The
axle?
differential axle.
Yeah.
We don't have a derailleur. We don't have any type of chain tensioner or anything. So that's a little unique. Kind of like a standard basket back here that we see on other trikes. Cool. All right.
Ride's good.
Does it?
Yeah, I was surprised.
Kind of a standard seat that does have a backrest on it.
Tilt.
Oh, and it tilts.
Get the battery
So you can get to the battery.
It's got two sets of keys though. One set for here and one set for there.
Yeah, so this
I just jammed my leg with it.
Did you? Ouch.
Yeah.
So this is interesting right here that you have to have an ignition key. I mean, in a way, it's kind of a good thing.
Yeah.
For security, you know.
Yeah.
So
Just don't leave two on there because I was riding along, pedaled up, and jabbed it in.
Oh, that's what you're saying right there. That's what you're
jabbed
talking.
it in my
Oh,
leg.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So he stabbed himself in the leg doing that. Oh, yeah, I can see that. You know, I have to do something about that.
I'm gonna have to touch this up too. I thought I had flat black, but I got gloss. So
Yeah, no worries there.
touch that up.
And this is a little.
I was wondering. I thought that stayed like that. And then your light.
And the light button. That is way cool. Can I take it for a ride?
Yeah.
Ah, here we
Pull
go.
up to see going on there.
There we go. All right.
Let me get it in a minute because I don't want
Man.
you jabbing yourself.
So how many hours do you think it took you to put this together?
I don't know because I played last night and studied it, and where the main problem is with the frame back here sliding them together
Yeah,
because they were the same size.
right. And I got
So-
some video of that. If I didn't lose it already, I'll
Yeah.
show our viewers. But
But that was the main problem. The rest of it was just putting stuff together.
this rear chassis frame right here, I'll show you again, where it connects right here. This was the same size as the frame itself. And so he could put like the frame on the left side of this bracket, but it would also be on the left side of this bracket over here. So kind of dumb. So he had to spread this part apart right here in order so it could go on the outside so he could get it bolted on. And even at that, the whole thing was a little jacked up. It was
yeah.
cockeyed and
Sitting crooked.
by a couple of inches.
Yeah.
But it's looking pretty straight from back here now.
It's not bad. It rides good. I just
Looking
took it
pretty
around.
straight. All right,
I got it up on 2 wheels once.
Did you?
Yeah, just for meanness. Just to see. You may want to take the seat up
No, that's okay.
because you can't pedal too good.
Oh, I can pedal enough.
I don't think the key's on.
Hey, I'm not getting any power. Maybe it's because the key's not on.
Yeah. It's pretty good. It runs pretty good.
Here we go.
Bouncy seat.
Yeah, that's a crooked. That's a lightweight seat. It's kind of crickety. Crickety, is that a word? It's kind of creaking. All right, so we got. I don't know what we got. See, you can't even see this in the daylight. This display over here, I don't even know what's that saying. It says 49.9. What is that? Who knows what that is? We'll give it some throttle and just go. Single speed. Okay, so I'm impressed by the fact that I can almost keep up with that. I mean, there's some ghost pedaling there at the end, but this must have a pretty good sized crank on here. or it's just a tiny gear on the back, and maybe 11 tooth on the back or something. Because I'm going at a pretty good pace, and I still have good resistance in the pedal. We're gonna have to clock that because there's no way to know how fast we're going. There, now I'm starting to get a little ghost pedaling, but not bad. For a single speed, that's kind of crazy. Ooh, it is a bit squirrely. Hey, we're on 2 wheels now. We're still riding on 2 wheels. Oh, we were on 2 wheels there for quite a distance. Woo! Nope.
You're up on 2 again.
Yep. No.
Yeah.
I can feel it. All right, no parking brake.
No. Like I say, I gotta adjust that back brake again. So that's minor.
All right, this is the review of the Franken trike. So, a little squirrely, for sure. It leans quite a bit when you're going from one side to the other. Look how much that.
Oh yeah.
That
That
seat.
spring, it's a soft spring on it.
Yeah, that whole thing is kind of.
Yeah.
Whew, and that doesn't help with the stability at all. That just
No,
makes
it
you lean even more.
Yeah.
So that's kind of crazy. I don't know. 10 up battery. It's got zip. Here's one thing I noticed.
Yeah.
That's a. How big is that sprocket back there? You think? Is that
I
11
didn't
tooth?
count the teeth.
I bet it's like 11, 12. Because you can go pretty good pace before you start to ghost pedal.
Oh, I know.
I mean, you got more pedal here than you do on those other trikes that I have in there. Because those
Yeah,
other
that
one
was
there.
fun. I mean, I was pedaling. That's why I bumped my knee.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a good
No,
pedal.
it took me a while because I didn't want to screw it up, so I was playing with it. And
Yeah.
Sort of fearing. That was my first one put together, So
You did good.
yeah, well, thanks.
You did
Now
real
look
good.
at me. I'm a bearded mess, old man.
No instructions at all. Never put together a trike before, but that just shows you have that aptitude, and I don't have that.
Yeah, you do.
No, not like you do.
Nope.
That's crazy.
Just playing with it. And
Wow.
that. So.
All right, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I hope one day you can get Marsh on it,
I do too.
Yep.
Or another one.
or
But it'd be
another.
best to try to get rid of this one before I buy
Well,
one. Yeah.
Honestly, as squirrely as what this one is, maybe try to get her on
That's
that one
what I
first. Because if she tries this one first,
Yeah.
she's
Scared
probably going
to
to say, "No way."
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that's just an opinion. Not just her. Anybody.
Oh yeah.
Anybody would be that way. They'd
I
just be
may
like,
have
"No way."
been like you were to 2 wheels and didn't even realize it because I was moving around here. Circle. Just wanted to see what it'd do, and it was cruising along pretty good.
It moves.
Yeah.
It moves pretty good for being whatever.
For the
it's-
bike, I mean,
For being a pretty basic, pretty. I wouldn't say. I mean, it's lower quality for sure.
Yeah.
You know, it's not. There's nothing good quality about this. It's fairly low quality, everything about it, but it moves.
It does, and it gets you around. So
Oh,
I wouldn't be afraid
for
to
you.
go up to Publix on it.
yeah, yeah, for sure. All right.
But
You
I
decide.
was trying to figure out what these 2 pads are here. Do you know what these are for? On both sides.
No. I don't think any of these other ones have anything like that. So on the back,
Mount trailer hit.
that one doesn't have anything like that. That one doesn't have anything like that, and neither does that one. And that one over there in the corner is the same way. There's nothing like that on there, so I don't know what that would be for. I wonder if it's. Well, you know what you could do there. I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably mount extra batteries there or something,
Yeah, you probably could.
because it would fit right underneath there just fine.
I do like the batteries. I'm able to pull it out. I did have
Mm-hmm.
to take the rail apart because they didn't have it aligned. There's a lock here,
Right.
and it wasn't locked.
It
in.
wouldn't reach the lock.
So I had to take that and adjust it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, but I like the idea of the seat going up to be able to get to it.
Yep.
But like you say, it is a flimsy seat.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I would have to change out that seat for sure.
Yeah.
Put something else there, that's something that's not going to sit here and add to
the rock,
the lean.
and that's the spring. You know.
Yeah, it's just weak.
And then you think about where it's clamped. It's only clamped. You know.
Oh yeah, it's really only clamped.
Right, just a little
There,
clamp
there,
right
and then
here.
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would. If I was keeping it, I would definitely be swapping that seat out.
Yeah.
That is crazy that you got this thing together.
Well, it's done.
I got to take a couple pictures with it too.
So, but it isn't that bad looking.
No, it's not a bad. I mean, it's not bad looking.
Like
If it was just a little, if it was a little bigger battery, a little better battery, probably.
Battery, yeah.
But the motor seems to be nice and powerful and zippy, and
Front wheel drive. Front wheel drive.
that's what it is. That's
All
what it
right.
is. I just wished it had a.
I got to get up and clean up.
I wished it had a display though.
Yeah, I do too, because all you get is 50. I guess it gives you the amps left on the battery.
Is that what that is?
I don't know what else it is. It said 51, 40.
Yeah, and now it's like 49.7 or something. And there's no way to change that.
Change anything. No button.
No button or anything. That's just dumb.
So it just gives you the battery amps.
That's just dumb. That's crazy. Thanks for putting it together.
Hey,
you
no
go
problem.
you go enjoy it.
I enjoy it.
Seriously, enjoy it.
I just wrote it down here to see if he was here.
Yep.
I'd rode around a couple of times before.
Did you?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess you wasn't home. Whatever, the door was closed.
That's all right.
Okay, bud.
It's all right. Thanks for showing me.
All right. You take care.
You too. Enjoy that. Just
I enjoy.
keep 3 wheels on the ground, okay?
Yeah, you'll dry, right? I'll tell you what, it's got the pep.
It does. I wonder what the torque rating would be on that.
I don't know.
See ya.
See ya.
Well, how about that? So Ron got the Franken trike working. And boy, he's just a pedaling on that thing, isn't he? He's just getting it. But boy, that thing leans. Oh my goodness. That thing leans terribly. Hey, that's good. Hey, so that was just a quick video. I mean, he just showed up and I decided to turn on the camera. So just a quick video there to show you that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe we'll do a little more with the Franken trike and maybe do another video or something here soon. That's going to be it for this one. Give me a thumbs up. Give Ron a thumbs up for getting that stupid thing together. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Take care.